Mr. Poseidon is here and he is fishing. He is on another adventure on getting a bite. Welcome back to my channel. Just missed a bite right here. Down in the Hudson, another day of fishing. I could be getting another bite. I do not know. The bite's hot and I'm trying to get this video off the ground. Anyway, welcome back, fishing champs, to my channel. Having a good time fishing the Hudson River today. We're fishing it on the bloodworm high-low rig. I should be using a 4 ounce. I'm actually using a 3 ounce. There's a little bit of a current underneath, but it's all good. Seems to be working out just fine right now. Standing by, waiting for another hit. Let's go! Always going for that elusive striped bass, that beautiful big fish. Here on the Hudson, we've been scoring. Everybody's been scoring this year. And we feel like the biggies are around right now, prowling around. So if I get on another bite, I gotta check my rig again. So get on another bite. I will put you guys on until that time. First fish of the day. Now I'm shocked at that one because you know what? I had no bite, no nothing. I just got up, and when I got up to look at the rod, the line was limp all the way down. So he basically grabbed that and ran it in. So, but I got him, released him safely just now. Let's go, let's go. Fish, we got a fish! This wound up again, set it all up again. Guys, I get a fish. Definitely gonna put you back on. We're on another adventure. We're on the Hudson River today. We're doing my regular bloodworm fishing. We're in a different location right now. I'm following these fish where they're going. I'm trying to get some. Let's see what we can do right now. We're just at about high tide right now. We're in between two mountains. I think we got a little bit of a wind. Being in between the mountains gives us nice, no wind at all, just a lot of relaxation. So I'm here with another subscriber of mine, Rick Hernandez. We're gonna be fishing, see what's up on the bloodworm, about number 6, 7 hooks, 3 ounce hatteras weights, and a high-low rig. Again, I'm using my 12,000 Thunnus today. Got 30-pound braid on there. Got my Lamiglas GSB And that's about it. Other than that, let's go, baby. Fishing Champs. Welcome back, Fishing Champs. Mr. Poseidon is here, and we're doing skunk. Fishing Champs.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Hudson River fishing. How about it? I pull this guy out of the water now, and I noticed this. He's got something that hit him up there on top. But you can see he's hurt, the poor little guy. But he's still feeding, so he's doing what he's doing. Anyway, we'll put this guy back in the water. Stinky worms. big fish here.
You know.
Oh man, here we go, baby. Hudson River stripe, about 28-inch fish right there. You give me the thing, Jay. Come on. Back in the Hudson, baby, right there. So we're winding up the day here on the Hudson River. What a great day, man. It's been a marvelous day. Bloodworms all day, fish fighting all day. I got about a dozen catfish, lots of catfish in the water today, but there were a few stripers that I did hit. Some nice sized fish. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Other than that, it's been a great day. Check it out.